Hello traders, before we start, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so on my screen right now, I'm going through the idle EA listing on the MQL5 marketplace page, and we can see that the EA is for MetaTrader 4. So of course, if you want to make use of this EA, you should have the MT4 platform, and the EA is priced at 1,999 US dollars, and there is also a rental option available going for 1,799 US dollars per year. All right. Now it's developed by Evgeny Zidane, and this version is 1.2, last updated on October 2020 with around 20 activations listed. Moving into the description, the EA is presented as a trend scalping system. The developer explains that it identifies buy and sell zones based on price structure and then evaluates potential consolidation and directional probability in line with the trend. So rather than blindly entering trades, it seems to focus on areas where price is more likely to continue in a certain direction after short-term consolidation. As I scroll further, I also notice that it avoids what the developer calls dangerous trading methods. Okay, which suggests it's not using high-risk techniques like aggressive averaging or similar approaches. Instead, each trade is managed with standard protective tools. There is also mention of trailing stops being used alongside traditional stop loss and take profit levels. On top of that, trades can also be closed when price moves between defined levels, depending on configuration. So there is clearly a layered exit system here. Now, looking at the recommended setup, the EA is designed to work on a basket of major Forex pairs like USD JPY, Euro USD, GBP JPY, Euro JPY, GBP USD, and Euro GBP. And it's specifically optimized for the 5-minute time frame. The installation process is also quite structured. Multiple charts are used at the same time, each representing a different currency pair, with the EA applied individually to each chart. So this is clearly designed as a multi-pair trading setup rather than a single chart approach. Before moving into backtesting, it's also recommended to run it on a VPS for stable execution, which makes sense given the multi-chart setup and short time frame focus. Now, shifting into the backtesting section, I'm going to be looking at the historical performance results. So, this is not live market action, but a representation of how the EA behaved under past conditions. So, quickly heading over to our strategy tester, we're testing the idle EA on Euro USD on the M5 time frame as recommended, and then we're testing this over the past month, 1 month and 1 week. And then going to the report, we can see that from an initial deposit of $50,000, the EA had a total net profit of $1,192.57. Total trades taken were 3. Short positions, which was just 1, 100% win rate. Long positions were 2, 100% win rate. So all 3 trades were profitable. Largest profit was 631.25. Average profit was 397.52. Okay, so 3 trades are actually not enough, to make judgments concerning the performance of the EA. But the duration that we did run the test over is just a short period, right? So I recommend, if you're interested in this EA, you want to run it over a longer period of time. There are some EAs that execute quite a lot of trades even within a month, right, depending on the strategy that the EA uses. But this type of EA isn't the type to execute so many trades. You can see that this EA seems to be selective with its trades. Now let's just quickly turn on the visual mode so that we can see the EA in action. All right, so from what is visible, the strategy behavior aligns with the structured trend following scalping approach. The system appears to focus on identifying directional bias and then capturing shorter movements within that trend environment rather than holding long-term positions. The trade management looks relatively controlled, with exits influenced by trailing logic and predefined levels rather than purely fixed holding durations. That suggests the EA is actively reacting to price movement during each cycle. As always, with this kind of historical testing, it's important to remember that longer testing periods generally provide a more complete picture of performance across different market conditions. So it is something I would personally recommend validating over extended data sets. All right. So if you are really interested in this EA, I would recommend that you test it over maybe a year or 2 years or even more so that you can be able to capture a wider range of market conditions. You can be able to get more data for the back testing and a more comprehensive results. All right. So looking at the overall historical results, this should be treated strictly as historical backtest performance and historical analysis. Okay. Even if the system appears structured, real world results can still vary depending on things like broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, risk configuration, and overall market environment. All right, so before going live with something like this, I would strongly recommend forward testing on a demo account first and making adjustments based on your own trading conditions. All right, so we can see how the EA functions when it's active. All right, and just like we already checked the results beforehand, just 3 trades we are taking, showing that the EA is not the type to stack a lot of trades. But 1 month, like I said, is not enough to make conclusions on the EA. So you want to test it over a longer period of time. But within just this 1 month of testing, at least we can see that this is not the type of EA to perform high frequency trading. All right, this seems to be the type to execute well calculated trades and look for valid opportunities in the markets before execution. Okay, so to wrap it up, the idle EA is positioned as a multi-pair trend scalping system with structured trade zones and layered exit management. The key idea here is controlled trend participation across several major pairs rather than isolated or random entries. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.